Hello, welcome to the OBSMT, the professional SMT and DIP machines manufactured in China. Today, introduce our pneumatic stencil cleaning machine. It is fully pneumatic operation without electricity. Whole body is using the stainless steel. Now we set the cleaning time, the drying time. Open the door and put the dirty stencil in. Close it. The stencil capacity for this machine is 1 piece. 2 pieces is optional. It can customize it. Next, we just need to press the green star key to run it, so it's very easy. It is applies to the high pressure spraying cleaning, 3-level and 5-layer filt system, low exhaust pipe design, solvent recycling, low liquid consumption. The cleaning result is very good. The most important for this machine is very economic. So if you have any interest in, contact us freely. Thanks.